you're experiencing low performance in Valorant, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Valorant. Go to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing to improve frame rates. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help the game run more smoothly. Step 4. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Valorant. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components like RAM or the graphics card. Step 5. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Disable visual effects, set your power plan to high performance, and ensure that Windows is updated to the latest version. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Valorant performance. Enjoy your gaming.